This machine turns 30 years old this year and still going strong. Air conditioners cost a ton to repair, ton to replace, and quite a bit to run. Let me show you one trick. It's 100% free that you can do to hopefully help your system last as long as possible, much like my unit here. Guys, this video is 100% unsponsored, brought to you by me. If tips and tricks like this that are 100% free, but could save you boatloads of money are helpful to you, please like and subscribe, comment, and share. Tons of you don't stay till the end of the video, so I'm appealing to those of you that leave early. Please do that for me before you go. The rest of you that do watch till the end, thank you so much. I have a treat here for you. And then before all of you go, be sure and check out the link down in the description to a video where I connect solar panels directly to my existing air conditioning unit. It's pretty amazing how much power that offsets. So be sure and check that out. All right, let's get into this. Okay, step one, safety first. Come and kill power to your system. And then you only need two items, a water hose and some kind of spray nozzle. But there's a critical piece of information regarding the spray nozzle that I'm going to tell you about. You need to adjust your pressure so that you have a little bit of spray, but not a crazy strong spray. All right, something like this is perfect. Also make sure you don't make it a stream like this. Okay, just do a nice little fan pattern like that. The reason you need to be careful with the water pressure and its pattern is this coil, which is what we're going to wash, is very fragile. I don't know if you can see, but this particular coil has a bunch of little tiny thin pieces of metal coating it. And if you apply too much pressure or too hard of a stream, it's going to destroy the coil, and you do not want that. That's going to be counterproductive. Okay, and then all we gotta do is carefully start spraying. I just go top to the bottom, because what we're trying to do is just clean off the dust and dirt and stuff that's accumulated on it, because that can act like a blanket almost. And it reduces the efficiency for heat rejection and makes this unit have to work harder. I do this every year, and you can see that generally speaking, this coil is pretty darn clean. And that's how we like it. Just a quick rinse once a year. It'll really help keep your AC unit happy. I start from the inside, and then I do a quick rinse from the outside. Alright, now I'm just going to do the same thing from the outside. I'm just going to spray up inside these vents. Now, you could certainly take the outside cover off, but mine isn't too bad, so I'm just going to rinse quick. And I already got the bulk off from going inside out. Alright, squeaky clean. If it's super bad, sometimes you have to use some coil cleaner and stuff, but at very least, just do a rinse. That's going to give you the most benefit, hands down. Now I get to enjoy colder air, cheaper electric bills, and the air conditioner will not have to work as hard. This is my other AC unit. As you can see, it's pretty old. In fact, according to the serial number, this is almost 30 years old. Still going strong. And I think a lot of that is just this minor maintenance that I've done every year. It's super easy, super fast. I think it makes a tremendous difference in their ability to effectively transfer heat. This video is just me trying to help you guys out to save you some money. If that's helpful to you, please do 4 things for me. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Those 4 things are 100% free for you to do, but they benefit the channel tremendously. Hope you guys stay safe, and we'll catch you all next time.